In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take screenshots in Google Meet. Whether you need a quick snapshot of a slide, a whiteboard, or a moment in the conversation, I'll walk you through a simple, reliable workflow on both Windows and Mac. Before we start, a quick reminder, always follow your organization's policies and ask for permission if you're capturing other people's faces or names. First, sign into your Google account and join the meeting you want to capture. Take a moment to set up your screen so the screenshot looks clean. In Google Meet, you can adjust the layout to highlight a speaker or show more tiles, and you can hide or show captions depending on what you want to capture. Close any distracting pop-ups and position the content front and center so you get exactly what you need in one shot. On Windows, the fastest way to grab everything you see is to press the print screen key. That copies the whole screen to your clipboard. Open Paint or any image editor, press Ctrl+V to paste, then save the file as PNG or JPG. If you're using multiple monitors, remember this captures all of them at once. For more control, press Windows key +Shift+S to open the snipping tool overlay. Your screen will dim and you can choose a rectangular snip, freeform snip, a single window, or the full screen. The snip is copied to your clipboard immediately, so paste it into an app to save, or click the preview notification to annotate and export it right away. On Mac, press Command+Shift+3 to capture the entire screen. A thumbnail briefly appears in the bottom right, click it to crop or mark up, or just wait a moment and it will save automatically, typically to the desktop with a time-stamped file name. To capture only part of the screen, press Command+Shift+4, then drag to select the area you want. If you tap the spacebar after pressing that shortcut, you can capture a specific window cleanly with a nice drop shadow. Tip: if you prefer to copy instead of save, hold Control with those shortcuts to send the screenshot to your clipboard for pasting into documents or chat. A few closing tips for crisp results: maximize the window you're capturing, increase zoom on slides for readability, and consider turning off personal notifications before you grab the shot. Label your files clearly so you can find them later. That's it. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy screenshotting in Google Meet.